everyone, and welcome back to Home's Inspiration Studios. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist living room color schemes. Now, minimalism isn't just about decluttering. It's about creating a calm, spacious atmosphere through design choices. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Color plays a huge role in achieving this, and minimalist color schemes can feel intimidating at first. But fear not. Here we'll break down the concept, explore the advantages, and unveil 10 fantastic decorating ideas to create a minimalist haven in your living room. What are minimalist living room color schemes? Minimalist living room color schemes use a limited number of colors, typically focusing on neutrals, black and white, or a single accent color. This creates a clean, uncluttered look that emphasizes clean lines and intentional design choices. What the common problems with minimalist living rooms? While minimalist color schemes offer a serene atmosphere, some homeowners struggle with 1. Feeling cold or sterile. A lack of color can make a space feel uninviting. 2. Difficulty adding personality. Minimalism shouldn't be bland. Injecting personality while maintaining a clean aesthetic can be tricky. 3. Choosing the right colors. Selecting the perfect neutrals or a complementary accent color can feel overwhelming. What the benefits of choosing minimalist living room color schemes? Minimalist living room color schemes offer a treasure trove of benefits such as: first, creates a calming and relaxing space, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Second, makes your living room feel larger, ideal for smaller apartments or creating an illusion of spaciousness. Third, highlights furniture and artwork. The clean backdrop allows your statement pieces to shine. Fourth, easier to maintain. Fewer colors mean less decision fatigue when decorating or refreshing the space. Fifth, timeless and elegant. Minimalist color schemes never go out of style. Now let's get to the fun part: decorating. Here are 10 stunning ideas to create a minimalist living room that reflects your personality. 1. Monochrome magic. Embrace a single color in various shades to create a cohesive and elegant look. Think creamy white walls paired with a charcoal gray sofa and a lighter gray rug. 2. Black and white drama. This timeless duo provides instant sophistication. Use white as your base color and introduce black through furniture accents, artwork, or lighting fixtures. 3. Earthy elegance. Bring a touch of nature indoors with a palette of warm browns, beiges, and taupes. Add pops of green with plants or botanical-themed artwork for a touch of life. For the power of greige. This trendy greige hue, a mix of gray and beige, offers a sophisticated alternative to plain gray. It adds warmth while maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic. 5. A splash of color. While minimalism emphasizes simplicity, a touch of color can add personality. Introduce a vibrant accent color through a statement chair, a throw pillow, or a piece of artwork. 6. Textural delight. Don't underestimate the power of texture. Play with different textures like wood, woven fabrics, and smooth surfaces to create visual interest in your minimalist space. 7. The beauty of natural materials. Embrace the natural beauty of wood, stone, and concrete in your furniture and decor. These materials add warmth and a sense of authenticity to a minimalist living room. 8. Light it up. Proper lighting is crucial in a minimalist living room. Layer ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 9. Less is more. When it comes to furniture and decor, stick to the essentials. Choose pieces that are multifunctional and serve a purpose. 10. Statement pieces. 1 or 2 well-chosen statement pieces can elevate your minimalist living room. This could be a sculptural lamp, a unique coffee table, or a piece of oversized artwork. We hope these ideas inspire you to create your dream minimalist living room. Remember, minimalism is about intentionality, not deprivation. Choose colors you love, add personal touches, and create a space that reflects your unique style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite minimalist color scheme is. And if you're looking for more design inspiration, be sure to subscribe to the Home Inspiration Studios channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.